Hello friends, welcome back to one more video of SBK artwork. So here I got a new art stuff. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Here we got a sketchbook. Pretty nice. And the cover, let's keep this aside. We got a eraser. I like to call this a soft eraser. And it's good for detailing. Here we got another HP rubber. It's little bit hard and brittle also. Here I got some graphite sticks. Let's open it. It comes in 3 medium. We got a hard one and also a medium, and last one is soft. Also I got some charcoal sticks. These are also like graphite ones, hard, medium and soft. Let's see some more stuff and keep this aside. I got a pencil extender and it is very useful for an artist, and I will show you how. You can use a short pencil with this pencil extender and it will help you to achieve maximum level of the pencil. Here we have a cutter. I like to use the ordinary stationery 10 rupees cutter, but it is also nice. And now the most useful materials. These are the blenders and it is very useful for clean shading. These blenders will help you to get smooth texture. Now let's see the sketching pencils. Those are the main thing for a sketcher. Oh wait, we forgot one tool, and it's a sandpapers. These are for cleaning the blenders and also get some powdered graphite or charcoals. I will show you this uses in another video. Let's keep this aside now. These are the sketch pencils, and we got a 6B one, a darker graphite one. It's look different from other. And pencils are also good. They look classy and have good grip on them. And it is a 8B one, and later I will show you how it's shade. And now let's see the pencils, how they shades, and we also use the graphite sticks and use the sketchbook also. Now let's try the 4B1 first and see how it's shade. Here we have another 5B pencil. And if I tell you about the shading, it's very good. They shade so smooth. Here we have 6B. And now it's 8B. Now 2B is here. If you want to buy this set, you can go to my description and I will provide their link. Also, let me know your thoughts, and if you like the video informative, you could subscribe to my channel for more like this video. And in the next video, I will show you a full portrait, so stay tuned. And here we got 2H, 4H, HB, B and 5H. Now let's try this charcoal sticks. Let me try the soft one first and see how it shades. It has pretty rough shade, not like the pencils one. Now the medium one, let's try. I would say these sticks are good for giving texture. And the last one, the hard one. Now here we have the charcoal sticks and see how they goes. The soft one. These sticks are good for drawing or say bold drawing. The medium one. And the last one is the hard charcoal stick. I would like to say these sticks are pretty good, but before using it you need a lot of practice for it. They are nice, but only thing is that this will make your beautiful fingers ugly. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.